Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how to level up fast in Valorant. If you're looking to hit the next level quickly, unlock rewards, or flex your grind, this video is for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, first thing first, never skip your daily and weekly missions. These are the easiest way to farm XP fast. Each daily missions give you around 2000 XP and weekly missions can stack up to 12,000 XP. If you log in every day and knock these out, you are already ahead of the game. Well, not all game modes give the same amount of XP. And here's the breakdown. For unrated and competitive, which is best for high XP but takes longer, up to 5100 XP per match if you win. Now for Swift Play, which is a shorter version of unrated but still gives you solid XP, with quick matches. Spike Rush, which is perfect for fast XP farming, and each match lasts 8 to 12 minutes and it gives a guaranteed 1000 XP. Now if you're short on time, this is the best mode to grind. Lastly, here is the deathmatch and custom games. Well, in these game modes there are no XP. Avoid these two if you're focused on leveling up. Now let's talk about the Valorant rewards XP based on rounds played and rounds won. This means the more rounds you win, the more XP you get. If you're struggling to win, try teaming up with good friends using good callouts and playing agents that fit your style. Speaking of playing with friends, teamwork wins games. Playing with a full squad increases coordination, which helps you win more rounds. More wins equals more XP. So grab your squad and start grinding. Now, if you're really serious about XP, consider grabbing the Battle Pass. It gives XP boost, helping you level up even faster. It is optional, but it definitely helps if you want to unlock skins and rewards quicker. Now, here is the best XP grinding strategy, alright? The ultimate XP strategy to level up fast in Valorant is to log in daily and complete missions. Second is to play Spike Rush when you have a limited time. Third one here is to grind unrated or Swift Play for consistent XP. Number 4 is to play with friends for more wins and bonus XP. And lastly here, if you're really dedicated, get the Battle Pass for extra XP. And there you have it. Simply follow these steps and you'll level up fast in Valorant. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.